So I just want to take this video and show you the decals have, some of the decals have cracked. And it's on this side, it's mostly the maroon ones. But actually, well, you can kind of see this white one doesn't look that great. And then it kind of goes down to this look. So on this side, see, like, these two are fine. This one's fine, but it's the maroon one. Those two maroon ones right there, that one's fine. This one that goes down to there would need to be replaced. And then this one down to there, this one's okay. And then this maroon one down to all the way, and then the end of this one, and then I guess this one. But then you have some that are fine. I mean, really, this one is fine, and this one's fine, and this one and that one's fine. So it's like on this side, there's like not every one. So if we go to the other side, this one's fine. Well, maybe not. So that one up to here, and it, you know, as I look at it now, I'm like, this one and this one are fine. This one is not. And then the maroon one isn't. But then this one's fine. Those are fine. And then you know, this one would need to be replaced. That maroon one right there. But then this one is fine. And then you have the two maroon ones up there. This one's fine. This one isn't. This one's fine. This one's fine, and actually that one's fine. And then that little thing's fine. So really this side is the maroon one, this one, and then I would say, you know, those two and that one, and that little one's fine. And then, you know, these two fine. This one needs to be replaced. And then here to here, because really that's fine. So actually, and then there's a little bit on the back. This is a 24-foot motor coach, and it just got left in the, you know, sitting in the driveway in the sun. I would say this one's fine. But then you have, you know, this one, that one, and those two, and then that one's fine. And that's really it for the back. So it would be these maroon ones right here for the back. I'm taking this video to send it off to different companies to see what they would charge to replace those logos, or even if they would do it. But I'm probably going to have to take this in so people can physically look at it. But I'm thinking the video kind of gives them an idea. And if, these got replaced, they could be just a white, like this. They wouldn't have to be anything fancy. They could just be a white, and the maroon be the maroon color. So really, you wouldn't have to try to match, weird colors. You could just go white and then maroon. So anyway, that's my thinking on that. Hopefully this video has helped whoever I'm sending this to. Thanks.